it's Crystal-Tiya back on the scene with a little cute hey boo. Anyway, today I thought I would do an eyebrow tutorial because people keep telling me, you need to do an eyebrow tutorial, teach me. And I'm like, is my eyebrows really not popping? But I mean, if you think, then I'm gonna have to help you out because some of you really do not know what to do, and it's 2019 and you're still struggling like boo. Get it together. But if you want to know what I do, then you best get with the video now. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you want to know how you get the fleek of the fleet, then just carry on watching. So first, what we are going to do is just take a normal spoolie brush and brush all the hairs going in the right direction. Then I'm going to take my HD brow powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to just take that brow wax and brush it all through my eyebrows, just to make sure my eyebrows don't go out of place. Once I've done that, I'm going to take the darkest shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and just start off with just outlining the top of my brow. And I'm starting off from the ends of my brow, and then we outline the bottom, and then when we come to the front, just make sure you outline it, but you go very gentle with it. You don't want to go heavy because you don't want a harsh line. You just want it subtle so it can blend out easily. Then you just fill in the rest of the brow. Then using the spoolie again, we're just going to brush out the front of the hairs, making sure it blends in evenly so you can get that nice gradient effect. I'm now using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just going to carve out the bottom of my brows with that shade, just so it's a bit more highlighted under the brow. If you wanted to go more natural, you could go with a shade more closer to your skin tone, but for the purpose of this video, I decided just to go a bit brighter. It depends on preferences and how you like your brows, if you want them really to stand out or if you just want it more natural. But we're just going to blend that product out all through our eyelids. Then I'm going to be going in with the beauty blender. I don't want to, I know it's dirty, but you know, it gets like that. But we're just going to blend out that concealer and make sure it's nice and even and not harsh, as you can see, because it's lighter than my skin, so you have to make sure it's blended out nicely into your skin tone. Then using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer again, but in this time in Chestnut, which is just a bit more of a colour that's more closer than my skin tone, which I suggest you always use a colour that's more or less your skin tone colour or closer on the top, because it just looks better. It's easier to blend out, and it doesn't give such a halo look. I mean, it's alright to have a bright look, but when it's halo and it's just a totally wrong colour, it's not cute at all. But we're just doing the same on the top, outlining it, make sure it's only any mistakes we've made. We're just going to clean it all up. Then again, I'm going to take the beauty blender and just blend it all out. into my forehead. I'm going to take a foundation brush and just blend it out even more, just to make sure it's properly evenly blended out. And then we're just going to do the same on the other brow.